came here and I like to enable the auto compile, and also you can click on the compile name.sol to be sure that the smart contract is compiled. Only then, when you came to deploy and run transactions, in the contract drop box, you have the name.sol here. And then you can click on deploy. And I have a transaction. I'm using MetaMask to send the transactions to the network. So this transaction is to pay to the smart contract. Like I said before, the transaction, it's internally it's called a message. So I'm sending a message to the blockchain, and I'm confirming this. It's very, very cheaper to do this, and we need to wait some seconds until the MetaMask confirm the transaction. Here we are here. In this confirmation. So we are talking, Anthony, about to have a front end. Like here, the 4 and 5 modules do this. The 4, it's a new contract. It's a contract called code. Is to you, oh, I need to update this because I know that it's done. But this project probably in some place here, this smart contract, it's a kind of, it's like to you save your messages on blockchain. You can save and you can retrieve a lot of messages. And here I create a front end to this smart contract. This front end, for example, it's very, very basic, like I'm using only HTML and JavaScript and the Web3 library. It's very, very easy. But I can put some links in the chat to you that you can, we have another project with more elaborated smart contracts too. Okay. Perfect. If you don't have a contract instance to interact, probably this is the, let's do a recap. First, check here if you have the name.sol with the .sol, it's lowercase, sol lowercase. You can check here that you have different colors in the smart contracts. This is the first step. Then, second step, came here to the third icon or second button, the Solidity compiler, and be sure that you click on the compile name.sol. Because I don't like to think about it, I prefer to enable the auto compile. With the auto compile enable, if you do anything like put a space, it will be compiled again. Okay? If I change the name, it will be compiled again. Okay? Let's come back to the name. It's compiled again. So probably is this. Because only if you have the green sign here, then when you came here to deploy and run transaction, you will see the name here in the contract. And don't forget to change the environment to injected Web3 to connect the remix with your wallet. Okay? And then I will ask you something. Address of your smart contract name. So put your name and the address. This is the name. I will copy this list and then you can put over there. Wait a minute. Like here. And how can I discover the address? My smart contract is deployed. I can see here in the top corner right, in the bottom corner right, I can see that my transaction is confirmed. And then if I came to the left side, in the bottom part, I have the deployed contracts. And here I have the name. On the right side, I can copy the address of the name. When we publish a smart contract on blockchain, each smart contract have your own address. We are doing this here. So this is the address of mine. Paul did it. Oh, Ximena, what wallet are you doing? Did you open the remix? Okay, MetaMask just now. Perfect. For you, Ximena, you need to do this. Here in any page of Academy, you can be in the main page like here. Okay, you are here in Academy. Wait. Then you click in the login button here. Come on, login button here. So click on the login button. Then you are choosing MetaMask. After this, you can choose if you would like to use a mainnet or testnet. And then you can choose testnet. These instructions are here. You can follow this path, these instructions, these steps. Okay, Ximena? Go to line 37 and do these steps until the 47. Okay? And great, we have some smart contracts published. I really love it. And let's check my smart contract because I can interact with this smart contract here. I can see the owner that we know that is me. And I can see my name, the get name. Here is my name. But let's do this in the Academy. How can I do this in Academy? In Academy, first, subscribe. Subscribe to Academy. How you can do this? I came here in Academy, wallets, subscribe. Go to and click on subscribe. Let's see. I am here, and then you will click here. I can click now because I already subscribed here. But you can click here and subscribe to Academy. You will have a new transaction, and you will confirm this transaction. Let's do it in another account. Wait a minute. It's easy. Create a new account 2. Yes, I have RBTC here, it's perfect. So I will log out and I will log in again with the new account. This is not my new account. Probably I need to connect here. Yes, connect on account 2. Yes. So you'll be like here, deploy my smart contract from this account, this new account. I click on MetaMask and it takes so long time. Okay. Yes, here I'm new too. I will deploy the smart contract again. And let's subscribe to Academy. You came here. Wait a minute, I'm publishing my smart contract again. Perfect. And I came here, so I can subscribe on Academy. This is a new transaction. What means subscribe to Academy? When I am a student on Academy, it will be created for me a smart contract to follow how I'm doing. Like I will have a portfolio, I can do tests and save it on blockchain. Here I'm subscribing. So if I came here, I can do exams, for example, and you can test your acknowledgement and register this on blockchain. And then we are doing something with our smart contract name to validate our name. Let me see if you are okay. And I will ask for you. Next question. So, did you subscribe? And let me know. We have a lot of noises. I don't know what's happened here.
Sorry, noises?
I think it's Discord have more noises in the middle. Like people connecting, disconnecting, I don't know. It's weird. So, I subscribed. What will happen now that I am a student? If I came into my profile, here I can see that the transaction was sent. And now in my profile, I have my address, I have a portfolio. I don't have any project in my portfolio, but I am subscribed to this course, this class, okay, the developers class, because I have only this now. So let's validate our smart contracts. How can I do this? You came here to courses again. Let's go to validate your name. And here I have the master name. What is this? Like I need to put here the name, the same name that I saved on blockchain on my smart contract. And this is not my address, it's the address of my smart contract. So where I have it, remember that I have it here, but I did it again, so it's the second for me now. So this is not my address, it's the address of my smart contract, and this is the name that I saved on the smart contract. Then I will click on set name. The new transaction that I'm sending to the blockchain. It's still, let's see, MetaMask is slow to show transactions. Confirm. And in a few seconds, you know if I did it right or wrong? Because if you try, for example, to register your name with another wallet, it's not possible. If you put some different name here, it will be fail. So this is a proof of concept of a course where everything is validated by blockchain, by smart contracts. here I can see that I have this transaction